Good morning everyone, this is Varath from grade 9. Today I am going to tell today's day and date. The day is Monday and the date is 20th July 2025. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning all. This is Pranav Patil from grade 9. Every Monday we observe Motivational Monday. So on behalf of it, I would like to share a motivational thought with you. The thought is the river cuts through a rock not because of its power but because of its persistence. Thank you.
Good morning, this is Pranjali Mari from grade 9.
Good morning, this is Pranali Kamble from grade 9.
Good morning, I am Ektanand Gave from grade 9.
This is Avni Umrana from grade 9.
We are going to tell importance of the day. Today we are going to celebrate World Nature Conservation Day, which is observed every year on 28th July to raise awareness about protecting natural resources.
It highlights the need for sustainable environment for future generation. Now you might be wondering, why is nature conservation important? It maintains balance in ecosystem.
It supports biodiversity and produce resources. Also helps fight climate change and natural disaster.
Talking about major environment issues today, such as air and water pollution, deforestation, plastic waste, and global warming and wildlife extinction.
Let's have a look to some major global and India's efforts like UN Sustainable Development Goals, projects like Project Tiger, Project Elephants. Last but not the least, initiatives like Namami Gange.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that spread awareness, also support wildlife and nature charities.
Nature is our lifeline. Let's care for it every day. Thank you.